So I wanted to give you guys a little update on my Scx10.2 deadbolt. I done a couple upgrades. Just wanted to share with you guys what I've done. I have the Hobby Wing 1080 ESC with it's the Trailmaster Holmes Hobby 27 turn. These two here were an absolute must. My stock ESC burn up, and then my stock motor started to smoke. So these two were an absolute must, and it's a great combo together. Next thing I did was the steering servo. If I'm not mistaken, I think that is a HD power. This is a 25 kilogram servo. Plenty of torque, plenty of power. Can't ask for anything else. Like, this is the real deal, and it's cheap. Next thing I did was I have the Gen 7 Pro aluminum threaded body shocks with aluminum cap with the stock Scx10.2 deadbolt springs. Then I did these are the Proline Super Swampers mounted on the stock Gen 7 wheels. Then I have the Incision, which these are off-brand of Vanquish. If I'm not mistaken, I think they're identical. These were not a must. The plastic ones were just fine. I have the links all the way around. Then I'm running the Goldbot 5200 milliamp 50C discharge. They are a 2S LiPo. I don't like running 3-cell on mine just because I still have plastic gears on my transmission. Then I have the FSGT5. This right here is a great radio. I have no complaints. I am running the LiPo in it. So if you guys have any other ideas on what I can do to upgrade this thing to make it better, I'm looking for an all-around good trailing rig that will climb almost anything. I do have this to the 313 millimeter wheelbase. That's how the links were set up. Looking for another body, but I don't have much room on these body posts. So like I said, if you guys know anything that I can do else to upgrade this thing, please let me know. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys know anything. Thank you. Bye.